On a clear night above a raging thunderstorm, something impossible flickers into existence, red, towering, and silent. Like a secret the sky has been hiding from us. For centuries, sailors, pilots, and mountain watchers whispered, hinting stories. They spoke of crimson shapes leaping upward from storm clouds, too fast to chase, too strange to name. Scientists dismissed them as tired eyes, superstition, imagination stretched thin by lightning and fear. The sky, they said, does not behave that way. But storms have never cared what we believe. In the 1980s, as satellites orbited higher and cameras grew faster, the whispers refused to die. Pilots returning from night flights described sudden red flashes above storms, columns, tendrils, shapes like glowing trees turned upside down. Reports piled up, but evidence didn't. And without proof, the scientific world stood firm. Folklore, nothing more. Then one night, everything changed. A low-light camera, aimed at a distant thunderstorm, captured something no one could ignore. For a fraction of a second, a massive red form burst upward from the cloud tops, stretching tens of kilometers into the thin air above. It wasn't lightning as we knew it. It didn't strike downward. It bloomed upward, delicate, branching, ghost-like. They called it a Sprite. The discovery didn't end the argument. It ignited it. What were these things? Why did they appear only above the most powerful storms? Why red? Why so brief, so shy, vanishing before the human eye could truly grasp them? Physicists debated electrical fields and charged particles. Atmospheric scientists argued over altitude, energy, and mechanism. Some doubted sprites even mattered, ephemeral sparks in a sky already full of chaos. But the sky kept answering. Sprites were joined by cousins, blue jets, elves, each stranger than the last. High-speed cameras revealed intricate structures, tendrils cascading downward, halos spreading like shockwaves through the upper atmosphere. These weren't accidents. They were part of a hidden electrical ecosystem linking Earth's surface to the edge of space. The realization landed quietly, but deeply. For all our equations and instruments, entire categories of natural phenomena had gone unseen, not because they didn't exist, but because we hadn't learned how to look. The sky had been performing this silent dance for millennia, and humanity only noticed when our tools finally caught up with our curiosity. Today, red sprites are accepted, studied, and mapped across the globe, yet they remain elusive, appearing only for those patient enough, lucky enough, or curious enough to catch them in the act. And perhaps that's the lesson they leave behind. The universe is still full of wonders hovering just beyond belief, waiting for the moment when doubt gives way to wonder. If this story sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep chasing the mysteries hiding just above the storm clouds.